Hey everyone! If you're struggling with your weight, it's not because you're lazy or lack willpower. The modern food environment is designed to make us overeat. Supersized portions, addictive ingredients, and relentless marketing. Your biology is being hijacked by abundance and temptation. But you can fight back, without starving or giving up the foods you love. Let's dive into the science and strategies that actually work. Why do we eat more than we need? It's not just about willpower. Portion sizes have exploded. What was once a normal meal is now considered tiny. We eat almost everything we're served, driven by visual cues, not hunger. Our stomachs respond to volume, not calories. So big portions trick us into overeating. The food industry exploits this, pushing us to eat more for value. Recognizing these external cues is the first step to regaining control. Here's a #1 simple trick. Use smaller plates. The Del Boeuf illusion makes the same amount of food look bigger on a small plate, helping you feel satisfied with less. Swap your 12-inch dinner plate for a 9-inch one and do the same with bowls. You'll naturally serve and eat less. No calorie counting required. Reserve big plates for special occasions. This small change recalibrates your sense of a full meal. Try it for a week and notice the difference. Your hands are the perfect portion guide. This is the second simple trick: no measuring cups needed. For protein, use your palm for carbs, a cupped hand for veggies, 2 fists for fruit, 1 fist, and for fats, your thumb. This method is personalized and works anywhere, at home or eating out. It keeps portions in check and helps balance your plate. Lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of veggies, use your hands to build every meal. For nuts or seeds, a small handful is enough. It's simple, flexible, and becomes second nature. Master this and you'll never overthink portions again. Did you know it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness? Eating too fast means you'll likely overeat before your body catches up. Apply the third trick for portion control, which is slow down, chew thoroughly, put your fork down between bites, and savor each mouthful. Engage in conversation or focus on your food. Avoid distractions. Take smaller bites and aim to make meals last at least 20 minutes. You'll enjoy your food more and feel satisfied with less. This mindful approach prevents that uncomfortable, overstuffed feeling. Want to feel full without overeating? Use the Volumetrics approach. This is the fourth simple trick for portion control. Fill half your plate with non-starchy veggies. Think greens, peppers, broccoli. Add a palm-sized portion of lean protein and a cupped hand of whole grains or starchy veggies. These foods are high in water and fiber, so you get more volume for fewer calories. This plate model keeps you satisfied, energized, and on track. You'll eat more food, but fewer calories, no deprivation required. Make veggies the star and watch your cravings drop. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle shift. Portion control is your secret weapon for lasting weight loss. Start small, pick one strategy. Smaller plates, hand portions, or eating slower. These tiny changes add up to big results over time. You're in control now, not the food industry. If this helped, like and subscribe for more science-backed tips. Comment below. Which portion hack will you try first?